Does your organisation still rely on manual forms and processes? Like when you fill in an Excel or Word form and email it around the organisation? Are your eForms not integrated with SAP ERP data and logic? With no process visibility or control? And do your eForms need manual validation or data entry? You can create integrated SAP eForms with Varo. Automate your manual processes in finance, MDM, HR or anything else. You'll get save as draft, audit trail capture, attachment handling and automatic data validation all as standard. Model any of your manual business processes or upgrade to Stalo to generate Fiori forms. You'll find that this results in improved data quality, process visibility and control, and real efficiency savings. Find out more at arch-global.com and start transforming your processes today.